Need to override your FastMCP server's default port or skip environment setup when dependencies are already handled. You'll see exactly how to customize the FastMCP run command with two critical flags, forcing a specific port for HTTP transport and bypassing redundant environment setup when you're already in a managed UV environment. These simple tweaks save time and prevent conflicts in real-world deployments.
Hash override port from config file. FastMCP run FastMCP, JSON port 8080. Hash skip environment setup when already in a UV environment. FastMCP run FastMCP, JSON skip-env.
This demonstrates the configuration override pattern in CLI-driven development environments. The pattern allows runtime behavior to be modified through command line arguments that selectively override values from configuration files, enabling flexible deployment without code changes. What makes this distinctive is the hierarchical precedence system, where explicit CLI flags take priority over file-based configurations, creating a predictable cascade of settings. The approach works by establishing a clear precedence hierarchy. Explicit command line arguments override configuration file values, which in turn override defaults. This creates a separation between persistent configuration, stored in files, and ephemeral runtime adjustments, passed as flags, allowing environments to be version controlled while still accommodating one-off modifications. The design follows the principle of least surprise, where later specifications always take precedence over earlier ones, making behavior intuitive and debuggable. This pattern matters because it solves the tension between reproducibility and flexibility in deployment scenarios. Configuration files provide stable, version-controlled defaults, while CLI overrides enable quick adjustments for testing, debugging, or environment-specific needs. The trade-off is slightly increased complexity in understanding precedence rules, but this is justified by the ability to modify behavior without editing files or restarting services, a critical requirement in containerized or cloud-native environments, where configuration might be baked into images but runtime conditions vary. Let's break it down line by line.
Hash override port from config file. FastMCP run FastMCP, JSON port 8080.
This overrides the default port specified in FastMCP, JSON, forcing the server to listen on 8080 instead. Command line arguments like this take precedence over config files, enabling runtime flexibility without modifying configuration. Useful for avoiding port conflicts in development or testing environments.
Hash skip environment setup when already in a UV environment. FastMCP run FastMCP, JSON skip-env.
The skip-env flag bypasses virtual environment setup when FastMCP detects you're already in a managed environment like UV. This prevents redundant environment creation, speeding up execution when you've pre-configured dependencies. Useful for CI/CD pipelines or local development with existing environments. FastMCP environment control. The skip-env and skip-source flags demonstrate FastMCP's pragmatic approach to environment management, letting you bypass setup when dependencies or source already exist. These flags fail silently when the environment or source isn't actually prepared, so verify your setup before skipping. Use these flags to optimize CI/CD pipelines and local development workflows, where environment setup is handled externally.
The environment that refuses to be created becomes the most reliable environment.